Well, hi there and welcome. Do you love Formula One? Do you love racing? But do you struggle to talk about it in English simply because you don't have the vocabulary? Well, I'm here to help. So let's go reading with Emily and then we can go racing. Are you ready? As the Formula One race begins, all eyes are on the cars as they vie for the pole position, the coveted top spot on the starting grid. This position is earned by the fastest qualifier, setting the stage for an exciting race ahead. Throughout the competition, drivers make strategic pit stops for fuel, tire changes, and repairs managed by their skilled team mechanics. Now, if you're stressing about the vocabulary, take a deep breath and relax. We will do a quiz at the end, so stay tuned until the end where you will have extra practice regarding the vocabulary. The ultimate goal for drivers is to secure a podium finish, landing in the top three positions at the end of the race. This achievement is celebrated with a ceremony on the podium marking their success in the event. Meanwhile, the drag reduction system, DRS, is utilized to reduce aerodynamic drag and increase speed on specific sections of the track. However, challenges arise during the race, such as the appearance of the safety car in response to accidents or hazardous conditions on the track. Additionally, penalties like grid penalties may be imposed on drivers for rule infractions affecting their starting positions on the grid. Despite these obstacles, drivers push themselves to achieve the fastest lap times during the qualifying session, determining their starting positions for the race. As the checkered flag signals the race's end, the winner emerges victorious, concluding an exhilarating Formula One event filled with thrilling moments and strategic maneuvers. Now let's look at some vocabulary. What does pole position refer to in Formula One? The last starting position on the grid, the first starting position on the grid, C, the position in the middle of the grid. Please comment and join the conversation. If you chose B, well done. It is the first starting position on the grid. And what is a pit stop in Formula One racing? A stop made by a racing car for a restroom break, a stop made by a racing car for fuel, tire changes or repairs, a stop made by a racing car to change drivers. Once again, if you chose B, well done. What does it mean to achieve a podium finish in a Formula One race? Finishing in the top three positions, finishing in the bottom three positions, finishing in the middle of the pack. Did you choose A? Well done. What is the purpose of the DRS, drag reduction system, in Formula One cars? To increase aerodynamic drag, to decrease speed, C, to reduce aerodynamic drag and increase speed. Please comment below. Do you think it's C? Let me know your thoughts. What is the role of the safety car in Formula One racing? To race alongside the drivers, to maintain a safe speed during hazardous conditions like rain or an accident. C, to enforce penalties on drivers. Once again, if you chose B, well done. What is a grid penalty in Formula One racing? Penalty, a reward, really? A reward given to drivers for good performance? I don't think so. B, a penalty imposed on a driver for infractions resulting in a lower starting position on the grid. That sounds good. C, a penalty imposed on a driver for winning the race. That's not very logical, is it? I'm going to go with B. How about you? What does the term fastest lap refer to in Formula One racing? The slowest lap recorded by a driver, the quickest lap time recorded by a driver during a race. C, the average lap time recorded by a driver. Please comment and check your answers in the definition box below. What does it mean to overtake another driver in Formula One racing? A, to drive behind another driver. B, to pass another driver and move ahead in position. C, to race alongside another driver. All the answers are in the description below. What is the qualifying session in Formula One racing? A session where drivers compete to set the slowest lap times. B, a session where drivers compete to set the fastest lap times, determining their starting positions on the grid. C, a session where drivers compete to set the average lap times. Next up, what does the checkered flag signal in Formula One racing? The beginning of the race, the end of the race indicating the winner, or C, a cautionary flag. If you found this session helpful, if you now feel that you can talk about Formula One racing because you have the vocabulary, then please like and subscribe. We upload new lessons daily for all levels, B1, B2, and C1, C2. We also offer idiom for the day in our YouTube shorts. Thanks for tuning in for Reading in English with Emily.